Hey, stock traders, Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders. We're going to talk about an alert that James Mason put out via our private Twitter today, stock ticker INO, and we're going to talk about one of the alerts I put out that I was watching to enter on Monday. One of them actually triggered for entry, and that's going to be stock ticker MRNA, Moderna. And as you can see up here on the screen right now, don't forget, if you want to register for the TT Blackbox Toolbox webinar that I'm putting on tomorrow, 7 p.m. Central Time, I need to get that email to me by 10 a.m. tomorrow. So if you want to get in on that, let me know. Shoot me an email, and I'll let you know. So it's Jonathan, JONATHON, Walker, WALKER, at transparenttradersblackbox.com. My email address is posted all over the Facebook group, so you can find it that way. So let's get into it, folks. Let's pull up the stock chart for Moderna first, and let's get into the alert and kind of show you my thought process of what I was looking at yesterday and what happened today. So as you can see yesterday, this weekend when I put out the video, I was talking about the Moderna. It had alerted as a bearish swing trade via the black box, and this was one of the three that I was looking at. It was already below the breakout line for your entry, and I basically said, it came down here as a low to about the 166.10 range, and it really had kind of fought trying to break through this 167.07 range. So yesterday in that video, if you watched it, I'd pretty much told you that my entry for a short position would be 165.82. And as you can see, pre-market, we kind of gapped up. No biggie. It doesn't really matter if it doesn't hit the target entry. There's no trade. So you're still, there's 0 for 0. Okay, you hadn't won nothing, you hadn't lost nothing because you never entered. But as you can see, once the market opened, we had a little bit of this sell come in, and then bam, the hammer dropped. So I entered right here in this first candle, and then I watched it down. As soon as it started to come back up, market cover, and I was out. 159.23. I could have kept on holding it. I think there were a couple of people that came back up here to close to what we entered at, and you could have rode this all the way down. It took a low of 154.38. So this was really an 11-point runner right here, which is awesome. The TT Black Box never fails at finding us the big runners, but I took it for a 6.25 point drop. Total profit $623. This was an awesome trade for me. Great way to start the week. Positive $623. So let's get into the next alert that we talked about, which would have been via James last week. He put out, he even let you know, I hope it really doesn't trigger today because it would have been too much of a gain, and it didn't trigger on the 29th when he alerted it, but it did trigger this morning. So as you can see here, INO bullish trade, looking for entry 13.95, stop loss set it at 13.10. Target exit is $18.45. So if we come back over here and we pull it up on the chart, INO, as you can see, pre-market, it broke it once. We had people that even asked in the private chat, hey, if it breaks it in pre-market but then drops back below it, should I enter now or should I wait? And of course, I told the members, nah, since you didn't get in when it broke through, let's just go ahead and wait on it to break back above that range. And of course, once market opened, 10 minutes in, bam, it took off, broke through 13.95. And as you can see, we ran all the way up here to a high 18.21, solid 4-point gainer. I sold out at $17. That's where I had my limit sell order set. I used no trailing stop, no stop loss. I saw it run up here and this 1640 range early in the morning. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to hold it and see what happens. Set a sell order for $17 and got out. I even put this out in the Webull Rockets group to everybody and said, hey, here's a freebie, because I gave all our subscribers plenty of time to get into the trade. I said, here's a freebie, INO, enter this range, exit this range. This is what we're looking for, and this is where we go. $785 in profit for Johnny Red on James Mason's INO trade. So this just is a video to kind of show you that if you go into a trade with a plan and you manage that plan to from the get-go, how you planned it, execute it, stick to it, you can make consistent gains here. We provide you the tools that you need to make money. We don't want people, we don't want people losing money. We truly do want our members to be successful and consistent. And I'll pull up MRNA as an example. We give you the tools to be successful. Do not enter this bearish swing trade till it breaks this point. Bam, it broke it. You could have ran it for 11 points. You could still be holding it. I still think this is going to go even farther. I believe it alerted as a bearish swing trade again today on the TT Blackbox. Me, I like to secure my profit because, as always, folks, base hits pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.